African government delegation visiting Cuba has received a personalized tour of the country's primary health infrastructure, which is entirely government-run and free. In a presentation to Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa, Cuba's Deputy Minister of Public Health, Marcia Cobas-Ruiz, explained how they built an equitable health service with the best doctor-patient ratio in the world.
It's a country facing huge economic challenges and decades of infrastructure decay. But on the Human Development Index, Cuba is on par, if not the best in the world.
Now, a specialist like her, how many people would she see in a day, a week and a month?
Cuba's health ministry explaining the strides made since the revolution. In a country that now has almost 8 doctors for every 1,000 patients, where life expectancy has gone from 60 to almost 80 since the 1950s, and where infant mortality is at 4.2 for every 1,000 babies.
Detecting disease at an early stage, making sure that they can prevent before it starts, but also treatment early, and making sure that there are many areas, as they indicated, the way they deploy their health professionals at the local level, multiple clinics, polyclinics, but also the fact that right from the training, they make sure that their health professionals don't understand health as being at the hospital, but at the community, and if not at the community, at the very primary level, including, as an example, here.
We asked the South African delegation what are some of the lessons they will take home.
It's all free, Deputy Minister. I mean, is that a lesson we take back to South Africa?
Well, that's something which we need to be working on. And of course, our whole idea of a national health insurance, universal health coverage, is to try and reach the state where the Cubans are at the present moment.
No private health care. No private.
Despite Cuba's success, 80% of their public health resources come from outside of the region due to the continued effects of the economic embargo. Shervin Briceby's SABC News, Havana, Cuba.